Hey, so today is an exciting day. We're at Minogue's Beverage Center in Malta. This is one of 4 stores and the first that we're working on. So come with me, I want to show you what we're doing in this makeover.
We purchased the business and nothing changed. And I had this vision for making this a customer experience.
As soon as I heard retail doctor, I just thought, oh my God, I gotta meet this guy.
As CEO of upstate New York's largest beer distributor, Jeff boasts over 100 years of family success in the spirits trade. After his acquisition of Minogue's beverage centers, he was eager to blow up the model and try new things. Minogue's 4 50-year-old stores had grown stale. Despite some initial changes, sales remained lackluster, consumer preferences shifted, and the Bud Light controversy presented additional challenges.
This store has been around for a long time, single owner. Was bought recently, and the goal was, how do we mix it up? Well, we're going to mix it up really big because we are changing all of these racks, which used to just be you'd walk in, there was a long rack down each of them. We're going to angle them and feather them out so that people will pause. And when you come back this afternoon, you'll see that there's one main aisle and the rest will feather off of that on both sides. So we'll have all these end caps to really feature product, instead of having people have to go all the way down where nothing really stands out.
Typically for like a beverage center, when you walk into like a beverage center, or they call them home D's, you walk in, it's more like walking into a warehouse. And there's just no rhyme or reason to it.
Overall, the stores had no distinct personalities, and outdated aesthetics were more in line with grocers than specialty beverage retailers. Significant opportunities existed to captivate customers with strategic updates.
It's okay to buy me. Yes, Bud Light. Easy to drink, easy to enjoy.
One of the things I wanted to add in this particular business makeover was the surprise and delight element, which is provided by Tokinomo shelf robots. And we have 2 versions, one that actually moves the product out with a light and a voice with a motion sensor, and another one that is a small billboard, and it's designed to surprise and delight customers as they come by. Each robot has a different message, and we use them for different products. This is a technology that was available in Europe, and we were the first to bring it to these beer stores in upstate New York.
This is a feather approach, so all of the angles lead to one central aisle, which is a minimum of 5 feet, sometimes 6, so that you can get through easily with a cart. But it's easy on this side now. You're going to see all of that product. As you're scanning, you're going to see all that product, and those name brands that you're expecting to see are right out at the edges.
We would encourage customers to add on through strategic product placement and compelling displays, and unify by style rather than brand, with signage to group beers together like lager, IPA, stout, porter, amber, ale, pilsner, and imports.
What we did here is we cleaned it up. We made it simple, right? We made it easy to find things, and we trained our staff to be able to help you find those things easily. So it worked out great. There are people that can't believe it. I mean, I got more people calling me, my friends walking the store, they just can't. They're so excited to see what's the transformation of these stores.
Nice.
Because they're clean, the people are friendly, they can get what they need.
Our head count is up, right? Our traffic is up, our sales are up.
I haven't been in here a while, but what a great change. They actually have beers grouped by style. That's awesome. Most places are just grouped by brand. You're then forced to wander around trying to find the style you like. Today I was looking for imperial stouts, a whole roll of porters, stouts, and barley wines from all makers. Finally.
So what do we learn when we do a business makeover? One thing, I don't think our store's ever been more organized than it is right now. When you're doing a business makeover, that extended part of that energy is important.
The bottom line is that the physical and digital environment you create for shoppers shapes their path to purchase. Also, when your customers come in and they're like, wow, everything's changed, that's what it's all about. So that's kind of what I wanted to share. Don't be afraid of moving things around. And if you're thinking of making over your store, remember the retail doc makes house calls.